Children, here your task is find out error. Error means mistake. Error means mistake. In each sentence you will get error and you have to write in the blanks. Here first is the road quite. One mistake is there that you have to write here. Just like the road is quiet. So the road is quiet. So here the missing word is. Here you will write is. Second, the crow say cow cow. All the punctuation marks are correctly placed, but one mistake is there, that is the crow is singular. One crow is there, and with one crow, with the helping verb say, we have to use s. Here is the mistake. The crow says. Says will come. Why? Because the crow is one. So in this way you have to write says here. The sparrows chirrup chirrup. The sparrows, comma, in the inverted comma, chirrup chirrup is written. So here one word is missing. The sparrows, what will come? I think you have understood. Say will come. The sparrows say chirrup chirrup. Here you will write say. It early morning. One word is missing here. It is early morning. So here you will write the mistake. The birds calling softly. The birds are many. So what will you add? The birds are calling softly. Are you have to write here. So find out such type, and you children use your own thinking and try to write down in your copy 5 more. You will do it easily. Here you can see, use proper punctuation marks. That means punctuation marks are missing here. The first one I have done for you. The vegetable man sells potatoes, cucumbers, peas, cauliflowers. The vegetable man sells potatoes, peas, cucumbers, peas, cauliflowers. So where is the mistake? That you have to find. So which punctuation marks I have not put? I think you have understood. Here I can use it. The potatoes. So many vegetables are there. Here potatoes. And at last what we have to put? Full stop we have to put. So this type of mistakes you have to find out. The newspaper boy sells newspaper. So what will you write? Where is the mistake? T will be capital. The newspaper boy sells newspaper. What will you write at the last? You have to write at the last full stop. In this way you have to find out the mistakes. The road asks wake up. Here the road asks, something is missing. That is, who asks? The road asks. That means comma here we will put. And what will happen here? W will be capital and everything will be in inverted comma. Here you have to put full stop. First full stop will come, then inverted comma closed. And what will happen to this? W will be capital. W will be capital. Then you will write wake. Here fourth number, the shoes say tramp tramp tramp. So the shoes say, who say? The shoes say comma. This T will be capital and the whole thing will come under what? You have to put first full stop will come, then inverted comma closed. The ducks say. Here also what happened? Who say? The ducks say. The Q will be in capital. Yesterday also I just explained you, and this is the practice I am showing you. Here mistake has been made and you have to. Then where are the children going? Here where question mark. This is question word, and at the end what will you put? Question mark. Then who are these? Who are these? Here also question and you have to put question mark. Okay. Now I think you will be able to do. If I will give you do correction. Okay. So children, here I have done for you. 2 I have given, that you will do. How are you? H will be capital. You have to put question mark. And here Ravi, Rakhi and Reena are good. So, name of the children. Name of the children, that will be in capital. R capital. Comma will come. Then R capital, Rakhi and Reena R capital. R good. R good, you have to put full stop. So in this way I have given you 2 and you find out more. So in this way we can find out the error. We can find out the error. If I will give you, so tomorrow what I will do, I will take test. So in this way you will complete your work. Here the words are missing. Here in these sentences words are missing, and here proper placing of punctuation marks you have to do.